የአክቲቭ እና ፓሲቭ ቮይስ አቃየርና ትርጉማቸው ከቀላሉ እስከ ውስብስቡ በትክክል ያውቃሉ ወይ? በዚህ ቪዲዮ እናያለን። Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gebra. I have prepared you a full free PDF worksheet from beginner to advanced lesson. Subscribe to download this by the link in the description below. ፓሲቭ ኤንድ አክቲቭ ቮይስ በአማርኛ አድራጊና ተደራጊ ብለን እንተረጉሙ። አክቲቭ ቮይስ it is the doors of the action ይህ የድርጊት ፈጻሚ ነው። ኤግዛምፕል the cat ate rat which did the action answer the cat ድርጊቱ የፈጸመችው ድመቷ ናት። ፓሲቭ ቮይስ it is the receivers of the action ይህ የድርጊቱ ተቀባይ ነው ወይም ተደራጊ ነው። ኤግዛምፕል the rat was eaten by the cat አይጧ በድመት ተበላች። To change active voice to passive voice, use the below instruction. Rule 1. The verb must be transitive verb. If not, it is impossible to change from active voice. አድራጊ ወደ ተደራጊ ለመቀየር የሚከተሉትን መመሪያ ተከተሉ። ግሱ የግድ ተሸጋሪ ግስ መሆን አለበት። Example, I sleep in bed. This cannot be changed because sleep is intransitive verb. በአልጋ ላይ እተኛለሁ ሊቀየር አይችልም። ምክንያቱም sleep ወይም ተኛ የሚል ቃል ተሸጋሪ ግስ አይደለም። If you want to change this, it becomes bed is slept by me. But it doesn't have common meaning to say like this. ለመቀየር አልጋው በእኔ ተተኛ ይሆናል። ነገር ግን እንደዚህ ማለት የተለመደ ትርጉም የለውም። What is intransitive verb? Intransitive verb doesn't answer the question what and it doesn't take objects. የማይሻገር ግስ ምን ወይም what የሚለውን ጥያቄ አይመልስም። እንደገና ደግሞ ያለ ተሳቢ ይነገራል። ኤግዛምፕል the boy ran fast ልጁ በፍጥነት ሮጠ። she sat quietly ዝም ብላ ተቀመጠች። the leaves fall in autumn ቅጠሎቹ በመኸር ይወድቃሉ። what is intransitive verb? What is transitive verb? Transitive verb answers the question what and takes objects. Example I drink water ውሃ እጠጣለሁ። he did homework የቤት ስራ ሰራ። I wrote the letter ደብዳቤው ጻፍኩት። This can be changed into passive voice as follow. Water is drunk by me. ውሃው በእኔ ተጠጣም። Homework was done by him. የቤት ስራ በእርሱ ተሰራ። The letter was written by me. ደብዳቤው በእኔ ተጻፈ። Rule 2. The structures of passive voice is subject plus be plus V3. Be means be, is, am, are, being, been, was, and were. Or you can replace be by get. And get means get, getting, and got, or gotten. Example, the door is broken. Or you can say that the door get broken. መዝጊያው ተሰባሪ ነው ወይም መዝጊያው ይሰበራል። The room was closed. The room get closed. ክፍሉ ተዘግቶ ነበር። Use be or forms of be in passive voice. Rule 3. The subject of active voice becomes objects of passive voice or vice versa. Example, I read the book. Active, simple, past. The book was read by me. I changed to me. መጽሐፉ I have accepted the pen. ብዕሩ ተቀብየው The pen has been accepted. ብዕሩ ተቀብሏል ወይም ተይዟል። ሀጎስ has drunk ጣላ ሀጎስ ጣላ ጠጥቷል። ጣላ has been drunk by ሀጎስ ጣላ በሀጎስ ተጠጥቷል። As you see, the subject are changed to objects. Subject versus object. We is changed to by us. You is changed by you. She is changed to by her. They is changed to by them. It is changed to by it. And nouns example አበበ ሄለን it's changed to by plus noun or አበበ ሄለን. But you can leave by plus noun or pronouns. In the passive voice by ወይም በ የሚለውን በፓሲቭ ወይም ተደራጊ ሊቀር ይችላል። Example I killed rat. Rat was killed by me. Or you can also write without by me as follow. Rat was killed if the agent is necessary. አድራጊው አላስፈላጊ ከሆነ እንደዚህ ብላችሁ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። አይጥ ተገደለች. Rat was killed shortly. The forms of ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ኢን ኦል ቴንስስ። በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። ጠብቁኝ። ሰላም ቆዩልኝ። ቸር ሰንብቱልኝ።